Yeah, then picking up the camera now. Wow, a little different. But I love it though. I like it though already. I ain't gonna lie. I like it already. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Jarman Experience, and we're back with another video. This time it's just me getting ready for that special time of the year, Valentine's Day. Yup. Valentine's Day is coming up, so you know we gotta get ready to get that special gift for that special person that you love, which is my wife. So on this video, as y'all gonna see in the title, I'm getting ready to get this gift for my beautiful wife. I really don't know what I'm gonna get, but I mean, that's why I'm on YouTube. We're gonna figure it out together, and you know, I'm gonna try to take this journey with me. But before we get into this journey, I want to give you a recap of what's going on. Like this past, I'm gonna say, yeah, 2 weeks. It's about 2 weeks now. My birthday just passed on the 29th. Y'all gonna see that in YouTube too. I feel like I had the best 30th birthday I could ask for, the biggest and one of the best, you know what I mean? Shout out to our event planner. I had a big party. It was dope. Yeah, also, literally right after that, I traveled to Cabo for one of my best friend's birthday. My son Cav, also known as PJ Cav, and one of my best friends called Kojo. Their birthday is really close to mine, and those are my closest friends. So I had to show up and pull up. So I was in Cabo for 2 days, and then I literally had to fly back home to Gambia, where I'm from. We was opening the house that my mom just finished building, and I had to be there for that because it was a group effort, it was a family effort, and we had to be there to support. You know what I mean? Well, I had to be there to support, so I was there for like basically a week, and I just got back. I landed. Now I'm here, getting ready for Valentine's Day. It's like a non-stop thing, man. But it is what it is. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna follow this journey with me and see what I'm gonna get for this Valentine's Day. You know what I mean? There's a couple things in mind. Right now at the car wash, about to get this car clean, and after that we're gonna continue and see what we're gonna get. So I'm gonna catch y'all later after this car wash, and peace. So there's a couple errands before I gotta run before I get to the actual gift. On the way to the gas station now. I only get a certain type of gas. I only get BP for my cars, 93. I don't get no other gas. Let me know, comment with y'all, what gas do y'all get? I get only BP, you know what I mean? Well, I forgot to even let y'all know. Y'all also don't forget to comment, subscribe, you feel me? And like the video, so we could keep giving y'all some bangers and keep giving y'all some videos, you know what I mean, from the Jarman Experience in itself. Gas is expensive now, look at this price. And I get night super, so I remember when it's crazy, man. How much it is to fill this baby up right now. So look how much it costs. $87.89. Well, $88 to fill my joint up when it's not even close to empty. Well, it was empty though, a little bit, but close to empty. Gas is too expensive out here, my guys. That's what it is when you got a Range Rover V8, I guess, you know what I mean? Gotta fill up that tank. Shit is crazy. So, I finally made it. It took a little minute to get here from where I live. Probably like about 30 minutes or whatever the case may be. I called up a couple of stores, and I found the store that was close to my house that got the bag, or different type of bags that I was looking for. So, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the store I'm getting it from, but I'm not showing you the type of bag or anything until Valentine's Day. But I'm gonna show you the store that I'm getting it from. Let's see the store right now. Do y'all see? Yes, sir. She's getting a bag from Bottega. Yup. So she's gonna get a bag from Bottega Veneta. I think I said it right? So I'm about to go in there and see this options. The representative that's gonna help me her name is Donna. She's gonna help me. I'm gonna see the type of options she have. I'm gonna see what bag I'm gonna go with, and as soon as I get that bag, I'm gonna get back with y'all. So Bag in the car. It was a quick process. She had the bag ready for me. Like, she knew I was gonna buy it. But come on, I had to look at it. It's a beautiful bag. I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, big Bottega bag, not the little one. Big green bag. Just gonna give you a hint on how much this thing cost. I think we in the wrong business, but I thank God I'm grateful enough to afford this stuff and make her happy and put a smile on her face. You know what I mean? But let me give you a preview on what this price is. Alright, so you can see, yup, that's the price of the bag. Yup. So now what's left is the flowers, which I already prepaid for, and the balloons and stuff. So that comes on Valentine's Day. So now we just gotta wait till V-Day. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You know what I mean? So we can keep giving y'all more videos that y'all gonna love. Yep. So see y'all on V-Day, so we can see her expression. Peace. What's up, YouTube? How you doing, family? So today's the day. Today is Valentine's Day. I'm up a little earlier than I expected. Well, I am always up this early, but I'm making moves earlier than I expected, because my beautiful wife, who thinks she could drive, I always tell her she can't drive, hit a pothole yesterday. Hit a pothole, and now we have a spare tire because our tire is gone. So I'm on my way to Land Rover right now so I could get it fixed, so I could get my day started, because now it's time to start making some moves, man. This is ridiculous. Bro. It is what it is. So we at the flower spot now. Finally made it here. So I mean, we got some nice stuff here though. I'm about to let y'all see. The flowers I'm going for. All red. Let me know what y'all think. Beautiful, right? Yup, got the flowers. Now, about to get ready to head back and get everything set up already. Damn, this is a big bag too. Big bag. For some beautiful flowers, you know what I mean? Now we're gonna head back and finish the setup. Alright, catch y'all later, man. So what's up? I'm excited. I like how this setup is. I can't wait till she see this. I'm gonna show y'all right now how this look. Ooh. Yes, sir. I like this little balloon thing. It's just fire. It's fire to get set up. Yep. I want to see her. Wow. About to turn all the lights off. And just, let's catch a reaction when she get here. You know what I mean? Okay. Happy Valentine's Day.
This is really nice. Should I turn on the light?
You can turn it off if you want, or you would have walked through.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Hey. Why you got bags in your head?
Can you even see me?
I can see you.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I feel like I'm getting married again. Oh, this is so beautiful.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my god. You is crazy. This is beautiful.
But you see the dim 30 over there though?
It's not about you. It's about me right now. Great.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I feel like they should have put more balloons there.
This is pretty. Can I open my gifts?
Yeah, you can open them up. Yeah.
This is beautiful.
This is nice, right?
We need to sleep like this.
No, we don't need to sleep like this. I don't know where we put all these balloons at. Where we gonna put these balloons? Open it up. Open it up. Don't act like that. What's that?
It's my cassette bag.
Oh.
What?
Don't play with her. She is not one of them.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
It's fire, right?
I'm not. I'm not. Hello. Oh, yeah.
Alright, you don't have to style it right now.
It matched my belt.
Okay, say it.
Thank you, baby. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
You sure know how to make me happy. I've been talking about this bag for mad long.
Exactly.
Every time somebody, look, you should get this cassette bag.
Yep. So that's out the way. Now let's move on to the next one.
I know what this.
Oh look, don't mess up our chandelier in our room.
Wait, so what you did?
I act like they didn't have your size, but
Oh
they
my
did have
god.
They did have your size. They did have your size. Those is fire. I ain't gonna lie. I like these.
I was so upset.
These is fire.
This is fire.
Yeah. They did have your size.
You see this?
Mm-hmm.
I love pink. Babe,
These
I
ain't the
want a
regular
kiss.
flowers.
I want a kiss.
Mwah.
I want another kiss.
Damn, they couldn't even catch me giving you a kiss.
Thank you.
You're welcome, babe. So what it look like, babe? Was it a success?
It was a super success. I'm so excited. Wow.
Like a little kid. I'm so excited.
I didn't ask for anything.
So we got the job done, guys. You know what I mean?
Raya.
It's nice,
It's
right?
nice, right? Sit with Dada. What happened to your hair today? Say Happy Valentine's Day, Dad.
Say thank. Oh, I said thank you. Wait. Let me open my gift. Okay. What is this?
Look at Raya.
Hold on. This is a nice box. Oh. Wait, hold on, mama.
Look
Oh,
at
this is nice. This is Daddy and Mommy?
That Daddy. You see Daddy with his Cartiers?
Yeah.
Oh. Daddy with his Cartiers, Raya. Oh.
Okay. You're a complete dork, but I love you. Oh, this is so nice.
I think there's one more page.
This Valentine's Day, let's cut it. I love us too. Happy Valentine's Day, Jim. To my best friend, my love, my other half, my baby Zaddy. Happy Valentine's Day. There are no words to express how much I love you and value our marriage. I pray Allah give us many more years to thrive, many memories. Thrive to make memories and grow old together. Love you until the end of time. Tay and Jim.
See us? That's so
That's
cute.
fire. I love this. This is nice. This is fire.
Yeah. Right, you like that?
Why are you so creative for, Mommy? This is so creative. Thank you, Mama. Do I still gotta look in the bag?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Now, what's this? No, it's not for you, right? Why you always? Wait, another perfume than Molly?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I heard you. Let's see what this is. This is nice.
You see what he do?
Ooh.
Do you like
this
it?
Smell good, yes. Mm-hmm. This smells good.
Look right.
Heard him.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. That smells good. Add it to the collection. Look. Add it to the collection.
Perfumes, they're Molly's. You know you was.
Thank you, babe. Come on, let me get a kiss.
Wait, we're gonna leave out Raya. She's gonna get upset. Happy Valentine's Day, Nuna. Put your shirt down, baby. No, nah. Oh, thank you. Oh. Where you going, Mama? You like it? So cute. Look, Mama. Look what else that Mommy and Daddy got you in the bag. No?
Oh, that's so nice.
You're
You
so
like it?
sweet. You like him. Thank you for tuning in to our Valentine's Day. Raya, say thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, sir. Catch y'all later. Peace.